Good morning, children. Today we will study chapter number 8, that is food for health. I hope all of you know how food is important for our health. So today we will study about that. Now all of you listen carefully. Anything that we eat and drink is our food. Food affects our body. It gives life energy to the body. Therefore, food is essential for life. So, anything that we eat, such as fruits, vegetables, milk, juice, etc., are food. Food gives energy to our body, so food is very essential for us. Our body is growing and changing all the time. A few years ago, you were just a child with tiny arms and legs and small teeth. But you have grown up. What has made this change? It is the food that you have been taking over these years. Still, you are growing and putting on weight. Only the food is responsible for it. So, our body grows and changes all the time. When you were born, you were very small with tiny arms and legs. But each year you grow bigger and taller, and your weight also increases. Do you know why? It's all because of the food that you eat. Even when you are sleeping soundly, the food is doing its work. It passes through a long system. It produces a store of energy for you. Also, it builds the different parts of your body. When you wake up, you feel fresh, active, and strong. The food has made you like that. So, food has much to do with your growth and health. Without it, these things are not possible. Our body needs different kinds of food to stay healthy. Even when we are sleeping, food does its work. It produces energy and also builds different parts of our body. We feel fresh and active in the morning all because of food. If we sleep empty stomach at night, then we will feel lazy and sick. So, food is essential for our growth and health. And our body needs different kinds of food to stay healthy. So, the first kind of food is energy giving foods. Some foods gives us energy. We use this energy to work, study, and play. Foods such as wheat, rice, sugar, butter, ghee, and oils give us energy. So we need energy to work, study, play, or any other activities. So foods such as wheat, rice, sugar, ghee, oil, and butter. All these foods gives us energy. They are called energy giving foods. Some foods help our body to make muscles, bones, skin, and other organs. They also help our body to mend when it is damaged. Pulses, milk, cheese, eggs, and meat build our body. Look at this picture. Milk, meat, pulses, cheese, and eggs. They are called body building foods. And these foods also help to mend our body when it is damaged or injured. So bodybuilders, they eat this kind of food. Now next is protective foods. Some foods protect us from diseases and ill health. Milk, vegetables, and fruits protect us from diseases. So look at this picture, fruits, milk, and vegetables. They are called protective foods, okay? And what does they do? They protect us from diseases. So we should consume fruits, vegetables, and milk in our dishes. It is very good for our health. Next point is water. Water is essential for health. It helps in maintaining our body temperature. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to remain healthy. I think all of you know how water is important for us. We can't live without water. And how does it help? It helps in maintaining our body temperature. If we drink lots of water, it also cleans the toxins that is inside our body. So every day we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. Okay, it is very essential for our health. Now next point is balanced meal. We should take a balanced meal daily to remain healthy. A meal containing cereals, pulses, milk, butter, vegetables, fruits, etc. in right quantity is called a balanced meal. So we should not eat only few items. For example, if we eat only these cereals, it isn't enough for our body. We must include all kinds of foods in our diet, like cereals, vegetables, fruits, and these dairy products, meat, fish, egg. All these are necessary for our health. Okay, if we eat only fruits, then we won't get the vitamins and nutrients which we get from vegetables and cereals. So we should include all these items in our food. So all these food items, okay, if we take them in a right quantity, that is called balanced meal. If you eat only meat, fish and eggs, that is not a balanced meal. We must include fruits and vegetables, cereals also in our food. Then only we can say that we have a balanced meal. Now next point, to remain healthy. So to remain healthy, we have to follow some rules, okay? You must follow some rules to keep yourself healthy. So first point is eat your meals at regular intervals, okay? We should eat our meals at regular intervals. We should eat our meals on time, okay? In morning you have to eat your breakfast. It is not good if you eat your breakfast at 12 o'clock and your lunch at 3 or 4 p.m. That is not good. We should maintain timetable for our meals. So next point is wash your hands before each meal. We have to wash our hands before eating our food. Next is eat fresh and properly cooked food. You know why we cook food? To kill all the germs and bacteria that is present in our food. So we should eat fresh and properly cooked food. Now next point, eat slowly and chew the food well. When we eat our food, we should eat slowly and we must chew our food. We should not swallow our food without chewing it. It's not good for our digestive system, so we must chew our food before swallowing it, okay? Next point is eat in clean plates and at a clean place. We must eat our food in a clean plates, okay? And we should eat in a clean place also. Next point is do not eat too much or too little. We must not overeat as it makes us tired and uncomfortable. And also we must not eat too little as it won't give us enough energy for our activities and we will feel hungry. Now next point is do not make a habit of eating fast food items often. I think all of you love eating fast food like pizza, burger, chips and all. That is not good for our health, okay? Of course we can eat fast food sometimes, but habit of eating fast food is harmful for our health. So we should avoid fast food. Now next point is do not eat uncovered food from street vendors. It contains dust and germs. So what is street vendors? Street vendors are, for example, chana wala, pani puri wala. They are called street vendors, okay? And we should not eat from them. Their foods are not covered properly and it contains dust and germs. So we should avoid eating from those vendors, okay? Now next is wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. We must wash the vegetables and fruits before eating them because they carry germs and pesticides that are used in agriculture. So that is harmful for our health. That's why we must wash the vegetables and fruits. Now next point is rinse your mouth after each meal. So when we eat food, sometimes some small particles stuck in our teeth. So we must rinse out those food particles from our teeth, otherwise it will lead to decaying of our tooth and our mouth will smell bad. So we must rinse our mouth after each meal. Now we will read some points, okay, what you have learned from this chapter. So first point is, we cannot live without food. Next, some foods give us energy. Next, some foods help our body grow. Next, some foods keep us healthy. Next, eating balanced meal is good for health. Our meals should contain different types of food every day. Next, our health is related to our eating habits. Next, we should develop good eating habits. Now look here, more to know. So first point is, milk is a wholesome food. We should drink milk every day. Milk is very good for our health. So whenever your mother gives you milk, you should drink it, okay? Now next point is, keeping proper gaps between your meals help you to digest the food. Next is, keeping proper gaps between your meals help you to digest the food. We should keep gaps between our meals. We need some time to digest our food, so we should keep gaps between our meals, okay? So this is the end of this chapter. I hope you understood. Thank you.